Are you really suffering from permanent laziness? No, not at all. Just think of few situations. You have a first date with a girl at 5 a.m. in the morning. You have flight early morning for the most exciting family or friends tour. Your boss have asked to finish a job in next 2 hours and you don't have choice. A dog is barking and running behind you. Can you be lazy in these situations? Answer is of course, no. You are more focused and full of energy in these situations. This means your laziness is selective. This is a comfort zone created by you. And you are lazy only on certain areas of your life, which honestly you find boring. You hate getting up at early morning, doing study or any other activity that doesn't have fun or excitement for you.
So if you are doing something really wonderful, do you want to prepone it or postpone it? Huh? Prepone only. So you must find what is it that you really want to do. If you find that one thing, you will always prepone everything, not postpone.
Many times we know what is good for our health and career, but we find it very difficult to do small things that improves our life. It seems that human beings are not designed to do things that are uncomfortable or are more challenging or difficult for us. Our minds are always trying to protect us from those things, to keep us alive in our own style of living.
But, in order to change, you have to think. Think twice. Think many times. You want to be the same in your lifestyle, or you want to be successful and extraordinary person. You have to decide and train your brain to accept the challenge. You have to be ready to make your future. You have to plan the small steps that takes you to your goal.
Everyone in this world have the same 24 hours a day. The great men, kings, billionaires, celebrities, and the beggar. Your success depends upon how you utilize your time. Time is precious. Don't waste it. Utilize every moment of your life.
Take a long walk before sleep. The National Sleep Foundation found in 2013 that exercising whenever you can, even at night, helps you sleep better. Numerous studies have also found that walking reduces stress and anxiety. Take a nice sleep for 6 to 8 hours. Fix the alarm for early morning. Now the day begins. Don't snooze the alarm. Just get up. These 5 seconds are very important. Don't be lazy. Just think of new life and get up. You are a new person. Forget the past.
Great. You have killed your laziness. Get ready. Go out. Enjoy the nature. Enjoy the fresh breeze. This is a new day. New world. Take a long walk. If you can, run a little. Count your footsteps. Do light exercise. Start yoga and meditation. Now plan your day. Make list of important tasks for the day. Don't write too much. Just few tasks for the day. Remember, plan only what you can achieve. It can be little challenging, but not too difficult to achieve.
Now you are clear what to do in the whole day. Do everything with the full energy. Enjoy every moment of work. You are the most joyful and focused person. Spend some time for physical activities in the day. You can choose as your hobby. Like skipping, cycling, swimming, go to gym and many more. These small habits will change your lifestyle. Add some good habits in your daily lifestyle. Eat at least one fruit in a day. Take proper meals at the right time. Use gadgets for a fixed time. Put aside the work before using it. If you are checking mail, then check mail only. Too much use of gadgets will make you unnecessarily tired and lazy.
Whenever you feel tired, sit alone and quiet for some time. Don't think anything, just be silent. You will be again full of energy. Now you are back from work. Relax. Calm your brain down and just think and analyze. How was your day? How much task did you do? Now you are not lazy at all. Slowly keep adding these small habits in your daily life. This looks simple and easy, but consistent effort will bring incredible changes in your life. Enjoy your life. It really matters for you.